Multiply 95,826 times 8. Let's start out with our 8 and multiply to all of these digits up here, right to left, remembering that we have to probably carry over digits from time to time. So, 8 times 6 is 48. You write out your 8 and put the 4 up here above the next digit to the left. Now we multiply and add that 4. So, 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20, so you write out your 0 and carry over our 2. Now we repeat the process. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 2 is 66. Write out your 6, write out your 6. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. So write out your 6, carry over the 4. 8 times 9 is 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. So since that's our last digit, we're going to write out 76. Let's count from the right. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. No more commas. And we end up with 766,608.